Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of Illuminate Disclaimer. Hope all of you are doing fantastically well in this beautiful day that we're having. We give thanks, and I'm sending you love and light and guidance to every single soul who's had the fortune to listen to this episode. Please like and subscribe, baby. I do appreciate and value y'all so much. Today, I want to talk about another divine law which is very important. So without further ado, let's slam on the brakes and have a quick little discussion. The law of polarity basically says that there is a complete opposite for everything that we're going through. There is no light without darkness, there is no good without evil, there is no black without white, there is no heaven without earth, etc. etc. Now, it kind of makes you think that everything we've experienced has been at different spectrums of the polarity that we currently go through. A lot of our things that we go through are actually based on these polarities. Like you might have far left and far right politics, for example. You have to remember that these polar ends are quite similar, even though they're different. For example, 0% love is hate, and 100% love is pure love, right? But you can say that hate and love is a measure of how much love is attributed to that. So someone might have hatred but still have a little bit of love for someone. For example, you could say jealousy is the same way. There is a mix of hate and there is a mix of love at the same time for someone to be jealous. But the mixture of good to hate, or love to hate, shall I say, it depends on how jealous the person truly is due to the factors. When you look at politics, or even liken it to a coin, there's two sides, but it's the same coin, right? You think that they're two different things, but they're actually the same thing, just showing you two opposite sides. Therefore, if you exhibit something, there's a strong, not even a strong chance, there's 100% chance that there's something that is equal and opposite out there as well. So if we think about it like that, maybe if you show hatred to another person, then hatred comes out, but also love comes out somewhere else. There's always potential for all these things, and even though we have the capacity to love, we also have the capacity to hate because of the strong feelings of love that we imbue ourselves with. If you think about it, our universe is governed by this because there is so much light and there's also dark vacuums, but we need to have all of it. Not everything is the same. We have atoms, we have neutrons, we have electrons, and they have negative charge and positive charge. And it just makes you think that, the science that we were taught about, ionization and compound elements, they have to be balanced in order to be viable, right? For example, we need two particles of hydrogen, which is a positive charge, and we need one atom of oxygen, which is a negative 2 charge, and that balances out. So you can see how the law of polarity actually governs so much things we use on a daily basis. It just makes you think, right? You know love because you've experienced hate. You know evil because you've experienced good. You've known peace because you've experienced war. You know injustice because you've experienced justice. And you know courage because you've experienced fear. So the fact that we have been through all of these things shows that the law of polarity is always with us. The reason we are who we are is because we experience things the polar opposite, so we can actually gauge for ourselves what these things truly are.